Hi there, Titanium Ninja. So I'll be demonstrating to you what I mean by having to duplicate the layer into each of the other layers. But before I do that, now if you're already using a GIF that was optimized for being a GIF, then it might have transparency on some of these layers. Now I'm only holding down Shift and clicking on the eye icon so we can only see that layer. And as you can see, they each have a bit of alpha, and they only block out what was in the previous layer. Okay, now if you want to add a logo, so I'll go ahead and take my icon here and insert it in here. Okay, now it's coming out red because the image mode is set to index. Okay, because I imported the GIF right into Gimp, that's why it already has all of the information as to the time and the mixing method. Okay, so I'll go ahead and fix up the logo very quickly. Put it down here. Okay, there we go. Now, in this particular case, because there is this is alpha on this layer, there's nothing here in this space. If I merge my logo with the first layer, so I merge down, so it's right here on the first layer. We go to playback, and it's set to combine. Okay, so this is set to combine. Press play. The logo remains there because it's combining each layer together, and since there are no pixels where the logo is in the other layers, so it doesn't get covered. But if, for example, I were to go to this frame 8 right here, take my paintbrush and I paint over it. Wait, let me make it layer image size. Alright, I'll paint with this. Okay, and then we go back to animation, playback, and we play. See, it's combining it, and because there's something over the logo, it shows up by frame 8. So in this case, if there is nothing, you can just put your logo in the space on the first layer and it should appear. That's if you're using combine for everything. Now if you're using replace, the option to replace right here, let's go ahead and put this one to. I don't know if it will work with the preview though. Place. Go to filter, animation, playback. There we go. So you see how that would work if it was replaced. It wouldn't combine the layers, and the transparency of these layers would show up. Okay. So in the case where you are working with layers with transparency, you can simply put the logo where it won't be covered by future layers. And in case you're working with layers that don't have transparency, then you would have to take the logo and manually paste it over each of the layers. So let's go ahead and make one. Let's match it. Pixel perfect for the example. We'd have to take this, duplicate it 114 times basically, and put it over each of the layers to then merge down. So you'd have to put it there, merge down. There you go. Merge down. You'd have to do the same thing for this one. Merge down, and so forth. And for all of these. So it really depends on how your GIF how the animation is. If it's using transparency for most of the layers and combining them, if it's a solid background for all of them, and if it's one background and then the animation happens over it. In which case, if it's one background and the animation happens over it, you should be able to use the beginning method, which would be to image mode or GP, which would be with the blend filter, but no guarantee, because it will duplicate or double the amount of layers that you have. But that's about it. So again, either you manually merge your logo onto each layer, that's if you're using replace, or if you don't have any transparency on your layers, where you could put your logo on the first layer and have it show up for all of the other ones. Okay. See, you have to manually go and merge the logo to each of the layers, which can take a bit of time and can be quite annoying if you already have 100 layers. If you have a video editing software, you could always import the frames if they're with no transparency, or even with transparency, and then add your logo there and re-export the frames, re-import into Gimp, export as a GIF. Yes. Basically, there's, as far as I know, there's no simple way of doing this just yet, unless you learn how to use the scripts, which I have not yet learned how to. Through here, I think. Alright, I hope this helps, and well, thanks for your support. Good luck.